another Epicflows Production.
Wagwan YouTube, you don't know say this are your boy, Stickman. So, today Stickman has scroll through Facebook and Stickman come up on a picture and Stickman just say, I saw it really go cause, me never know. So, that Stickman I go talk about today. Stickman I go tell you the story about how them come up with the word Bloodclaat. Alright, now just listen. When Stickman talk, no man what?
Hello, Jackie. How many times have I told you not to leave your blood cloth on my clothesline hanging? Come get it off this instant, girl. Keep your blood cloth on your dwellings or I'll have to whip you and send you in that sun to pick me some cotton. This is the last time. I do not want to see your blood cloth. Okay? Alright.
Jackie, move your blood clot.
Master Sefi, move your blood clot. She no move her blood clot all now. Jackie, move your blood clot.
Kunta Kente, you move your blood clot. Me I go hang it up right here, so now.
Hang it up which part? Girl, you better move your blood clot from side of me.
Alright, Tutupa. Me I go hang it up in my side of the cottage then.
Hey, Kunta Kente, come here. Adube, this is your husband speaking. Hang up which blood clot in which blood clot cottage. Woman, you must see mad. Move the blood clot from your son.
So, you see it? The master did actually talk about real blood clot. You see it, and the slave them just hear and start make fun at the girl we go on her period, and them just pick up the talk. Everybody just start say, move your blood clot from your so and move your blood clot from there so, and it just become a chat. And that's so, if so, and that's so it go on a Jamaican now, it's just a bad chat. Oh, move your blood clot is in a comment and press subscribe. When Stickman talk, no man walk.
When Stickman talk, say no man walk.